Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at CROSSE Technology 5.13.14.17 V6 Atomic Digital Wall Clock User Guide. Specifications. Power up. Insert 2 AA batteries into your outdoor sensor. Insert 2 AA batteries into your clock. Adjust the time and date settings on your clock. Once the outdoor sensor is reading to your clock, place it outside in a shaded location. WWVB Atomic Time Signal. The station will automatically search for the atomic time signal at UTC 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. Press and release the set button to manually search for the WWVB atomic time signal. Settings. Hold the set button to enter the settings menu. Use the plus or buttons to adjust values. Press the set button to confirm and move to the next item. Settings menu order. Time alarm. Set alarm time. Hold the alarm button to enter the alarm settings menu. Use the plus or buttons to adjust values. Press the alarm button to confirm and move to the next item. Activate/deactivate alarm. The alarm is active when set. Press and release the alarm button to deactivate or activate the alarm. The clock icon will show when the alarm is active. Snooze. When the alarm sounds, press the snooze button to silence the alarm for 10 minutes. Snooze can be repeated as desired. Helo temperature records. Press the plus button to view high temperature. Press the plus button again to view the low temperature. Hold the plus button for 5 seconds to reset the high and low temperature records. Moon phase. Search for outdoor sensors. Hold the minus button for 3 seconds to search for the sensor. The reception indicator will flash until the sensor signal is received. If no signal is available, the search will stop after 3 minutes. The reception indicator will show solid on the screen when the sensor is connected. Restart. Remove batteries from both devices. Press any button on the clock at least 20 times, then wait 15 minutes. Install fresh batteries into both your sensor and clock. Within a minute or two, your outdoor temperature should return. Sensor Weather Shield. The sensor weather shield is designed to protect your outdoor sensor from rain and snow. This shield will offer limited protection from the sun's heat. Warnings. Battery backup. The clock has a battery backup feature, but it is only intended for short-term power outages. Temperature range. The clock is designed to operate in a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Humidity range. The clock is designed to operate in a humidity range of 10% to 90%. RF interference. The clock may be subject to radio frequency interference, which can cause the time to be incorrect. Signal strength. The clock requires a strong signal from the WWVB radio station to keep accurate time. Placement. The clock should be placed in a location with a clear view of the sky to ensure that it can receive the WWVB signal. Manual time set. If the clock loses the WWVB signal, it can be manually set to the correct time. Troubleshootings. Check battery backup. Ensure the battery backup is working correctly. Verify placement. Make sure the clock is placed in a location with a clear view of the sky to receive the WWVB signal. Confirm signal strength. Check if any obstructions are blocking the signal. Reset the clock. Try resetting the clock by pressing and holding the set button for several seconds. Manual time set. If the clock is unable to receive the signal, manually set the time using the set and hour/minute buttons. Check for interference. Look for any electronic devices that might be interfering with the clock's reception. Contact customer support. If none of the above solutions work, contact CROSSE Technology customer support for further assistance. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.